In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view all phone contact numbers in Gmail. Whether you're moving contacts between devices or simply need to organize them, knowing how to view all your phone contact numbers in Gmail can be incredibly helpful. We'll break this down step by step to ensure you have a clear understanding of each part of the process. To start, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google's homepage. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Google Apps icon, which looks like a grid of dots. You'll find this in the upper right corner of your screen. Click on it, and a drop-down menu will display various options. Here, you'll want to select Contacts. This will direct you to a page where all your saved contact information resides, including phone numbers tied to your Gmail account. Once you've accessed your contacts, take a moment to look around. On the left side of the screen, you'll see several menu items. These options help you organize, manage, and filter your contact list. You'll want to click on Contacts from this menu. This action will display all your contacts, including phone numbers, email addresses, and any additional details saved with each. Now you can scroll through your list of contacts. If you have an extensive list, use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific contact by typing in their name or any other relevant information. This can save you time and effort when you're searching for a particular phone number. If you need to manage your contacts further, you might consider creating labels to group contacts into categories. This way, if you want to send an email blast or a special announcement, you can easily reach a target group without selecting each contact one by one. One important tip to note is that your contacts may also be linked with other Google services, meaning changes here could reflect across platforms. Always review any modifications to ensure you're maintaining an organized list. If you're collaborating on projects, you might need to share contact information with a team. You can do this by exporting the contacts into a file format that's easily shareable, such as a CSV file. Finally, remember that keeping your contacts updated is key to maintaining communication lines open. Regularly check back and edit details as needed to ensure accuracy and efficiency in your communications. And that covers how to view all phone contact numbers in Gmail efficiently. Make sure to bookmark this video so you can refer back to it whenever needed. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials.